The space race, a captivating chapter in human history, unfolded as a fierce competition between the United States and the Soviet Union during the Cold War era. While both nations aimed to assert their dominance in space exploration, one of the most remarkable goals of this rivalry was the race to the moon. This article delves into the intriguing history, significant events, and far-reaching impact of the space race in the context of the mesmerizing quest to reach Earth's celestial neighbor. Origins of the space race. 1. The space race emerged from the intense geopolitical tensions between the United States and the Soviet Union during the Cold War, a period of ideological rivalry and political maneuvering. 2. The launch of the Soviet satellite Sputnik in 1957 stunned the world and ignited a sense of urgency for the United States to respond with its own space exploration initiatives. Key players. 1. The United States, represented by the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, and the Soviet Union, represented by their robust space program, were the primary contenders in the space race. 2. The competition between these superpowers became a symbolic battleground for showcasing scientific, technological, and ideological superiority. Race to the Moon. 1. The audacious objective of reaching the moon emerged as the focal point of the space race, driven by the belief that such an achievement would demonstrate unparalleled technological prowess and ideological ascendancy. 2. The Soviet Union initially surged ahead with significant milestones, including the first human-made object to orbit the moon with the Lunar 2 mission in 1959. Apollo Program. 1. In response to the Soviet successes, President John F. Kennedy launched the ambitious Apollo program in 1961, declaring the goal of landing humans on the moon and returning them safely to Earth. 2. The Apollo program became an emblem of American innovation and determination, mobilizing vast resources and the brightest minds to achieve the moon landing dream. Moon landings. 1. On July 20, 1969, the monumental Apollo 11 mission, commanded by Neil Armstrong, etched its name in history as the first manned spacecraft to land on the moon. 2. The captivating moment when Armstrong stepped onto the lunar surface and uttered the iconic words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," forever transformed our understanding of what humanity can accomplish. Subsequent moon missions. 1. Following the triumphant Apollo 11 mission, the United States continued its exploration of the moon with subsequent Apollo missions, ultimately achieving a total of 6 successful moon landings between 1969 and 1972. 2. Each mission expanded our scientific knowledge, as astronauts conducted experiments, collected valuable lunar samples, and studied the moon's geology, composition, and magnetic fields. Impact and legacy. 1. The space race and the race to the moon had profound effects on science, technology, and society. 2. The technological advancements spurred by this competition brought about revolutionary breakthroughs in computing, materials science, miniaturization, and telecommunications, laying the foundation for innovations that continue to shape our world. 3. The moon landings captivated global audiences, instilling a sense of awe, inspiration, and unity as humanity witnessed the incredible achievements of space exploration. 4. The legacy of the space race extends beyond the scientific and technological realm, symbolizing the resilience of the human spirit, the power of ambition, and the unyielding curiosity that propels us to venture into the unknown.